guys, welcome to this video. Today we're doing not a room tour, we've already done 2 room tours. Our house tour, so let's get on to the video. We got our tables with all our electronics. The Scarlett, say what this is.
This is a spider tank.
The spider tank with all the spiders. As you can see, very closely in the distance there,
Look there.
spiders. And beautiful couch. So that's our living room. And our hallway. Oh, and this is our hallway. It's brilliant.
Yep.
And here's the Lego table.
You go.
Very good Lego table. Let's get on to the toy room. It's very messy. Look at this. It's cool. And very messy. And kitchen. Very good. Very nice indeed. The dog's shit room. Here. Okay, bra. And yeah. And I'll show you upstairs. The 2 bathrooms. Just going up. The toilet, the bathroom, and the beautiful mummy sink. Now that's show you the downstairs bathroom. This is a very small house. It's only 17 rooms. We got a downstairs bathroom. A sink here, a bathroom, and a toilet, and a baby bath, and a towel rack. And most of all, the laundry. All the sneaky stuff.
And there's Bell up there. Bell here.
Yep. My mum's computer desk.
Love it.
Yep. Brilliant. And flowers up there. Nice indeed. And messy floor. And the love sign.
And what's that this? Here it is.
And then the windows. This is very snowy today. Very snowy today. Yep, there are toys. Our wand and our beautiful and pretend gun. Car. I love the Lord God because he built this house for us. He is the most gorgeous man with the dining table. Brilliant. So the bin. And we will see you in the next one.
Bye, guys.